I'm going to be showing you the proper way to install a Momo shift knob. As you know, you're supposed to put this piece on first, and then you put the rubber piece on top of right here. But what I don't understand is when they take the shift knob, put it over the rubber piece, and then put the set screws in, and then bring this piece up and screw it on. So then the shifter will be pretty much this high up, which, you know, it's okay, but it doesn't make any sense to me, because I don't know how the rubber piece and those set screws would keep the shifter from doing this. But I wouldn't know because I didn't do it that way. What I did was I put the rubber piece right here and then basically pushed the shifter all the way down. As you can see, the hole in the shifter is pretty deep. It goes, like, I would say probably to around right here. So what I did was I just pushed it on here like this. And then just basically push it all the way down. Now, it takes a while, but once you get it started, it goes down pretty quickly. By doing it this way, I feel that the shifter is on more securely than just putting those 4 little bolts in. Doesn't really do justice to me. Yes, this does take a while, especially when I'm doing it with just one hand. I think by putting it all the way down, it gives it more of a firm and stable position than just having the rubber piece pretty much securing it down. See, it's pretty much almost there. I'll just put it over here for now. See, it's pretty much on there now, but I still need to tighten it down. You basically know it's on when you can't turn. See, I can still turn the bottom ring. If I can still turn it, that means it's not all the way down. See, now I can't turn it. So now the shift knob is all the way down. Just turn it so the Momo is facing up. And there you have it. The properly installed Momo shift knob. As you can see, it shifts pretty nice. Doesn't wiggle at all. No wiggle at all. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.